My screen right now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. And then, just let me know whenever you don't need to interrupt. So we can start right now. So my name is Ibrahim Kıvanç. I know most of you on the call. So I'm working as a MEA technical evangelist in MEA DP team. So basically I'm responsible with Windows 8 development side and the communities in the region. So this is my blog address, like the blogs.msdn.com /ikivanch. So you can find lots of materials from there, which I created by myself or which I compiled in a one place, so you can find it. And at the same time, like for Twitter address, you can go there like at ikivanch, so you can find me on there. So let's start. I will move forward. As I mentioned before, you can follow me from here, and you can find all resources and maybe in the coming days, upcoming events. So I just wanted to talk about the resources, and also if you can go to this website, like blogs.msn.com, ikivanch, so you will find that, uh, there are some resources. So I just recently updated. So let me go there and let me show you. So the first one is like the Windows 8 UX development roadmap, and another one is the info kit. So let me open these PowerPoint slides. So the basic, you will find more information regarding Windows 8.1 in terms of like the development and downloads and SDKs, like the where to get started or where to find some contents regarding Windows 8.1. You can find like the all latest information and all the latest data from here. So, and also we have a Facebook group, you can join there. So let me share the link with you. So this is an open discussion group, MEA Windows 8 Champs. So if you can go there, so you will find the group name there. So here it is. So this is the first one, like the info kit. Like you can find like all like the development tools, like the Windows, where you can find Windows 8.1 Pro, and at the same time 200 samples. We will see in this demo. So there are really significant updates on Windows 8.1. So let me close this one, and then let me go to the second resources. So this is the learning roadmap for the user experience and development side. So you can get the latest version of it, like from here, aka MS Win 8 UX Dev. Like basically inside of that, there are like the 200 samples of Windows 8, and right now 8.1. You can find it, and like also there's the hands-on labs with the links. You can find like 8 or 9 documents, so which is showing you the direction step by step development on Windows 8. So which is really important. And at the same time, like there is a video series which is describing this hands-on lab, and you can easily develop your application starting from scratch. So other than that, the most important part is like the user experience, especially whenever a developer try to develop an application, the missing part is always user experience, UI, and the nice features and nice stylish design. So the basic that I just wanted to show you, like these applications. If you have time, go to the store and go and download them. For example, Cocktail Flow, Swiss Code, like the CPazar, like the Skyscanner, and AskAll, the ESPN, USA Today, Next Issue magazines. These applications are really great in terms of user experience, in terms of UI and creatives. This will give an idea about how can you reimagine your application or existing application. So this is a really nice document. And at the same time, there are some design case studies from website to Windows Store app or iOS to Windows 8 Windows Store app. And at the same time, if you have a line of business application, so you can go there and you can check it, how can you reimagine in Windows Store application. So there are more as well. like financial applications as an inspirational designs, and some medical applications, some retail applications. You can go there and find more information. More and more, like the design inspirations, like if you are developing education application or shopping application, news application, or there are some categories, like whatever you want or whatever you want to develop, you can find from here, and you can implement these features in your application. And also, like these inspiration designs will give you a really nice impression. How can you think about our new design concept? So it is not related only with boxes or rectangles. If you can go there, there are more beyond those, I can say, the terms. If you want more, like, you can go there, like the design.windows.com. So here is a compiled version. So you can find all resources from there, and at the same time you can find all assets like Photoshop assets, or if you are preparing a mock-up Balsamiq updates, Balsamiq assets, you can find it there. And also there is a website, Windows 8 Design Handbook. You can go there and you can check what are the do's and don'ts for Windows 8 development. So if you are designing an application, which are really important parts of development phases, or which you should really take care of it. Last but not least, you can find like the 31 days of like Windows 8, like the day by day, they are just like the going on the different topics, and they're just checking and in a detail the format of Windows 8.1, Windows 8 development site. So for example, if you are thinking of developing an HTML, you can find it from there. At the same time, with the same topic, you can find it on the XAML page as well. So like if you have time, like go there and you check it. You can find these slides on my website, and download it, and these are clickable items. Whenever you click, you will go to those websites and those stores, those resources. And another needed part is like third-party tools. If you are developing an application, so you need to provide a different user experience. In order to do that, the missing part is like the third-party tools. Like you can go there and you can check the paid one, for example, Telerik, the component one like Spread, like for other tools, you can get it by like the paid. And at the same time, there are some like open source projects which are free. Like you can go there and you can find it. And with 8.1, the Callisto is no more needed. So because it is inside of the Windows 8.1 development. So let's move. So, and also, the info kit is there as well. You can go there and you can check for it. So, that's it. These are resources, and then if you wanted to get those resources, please go to this site and, to get them from there. So if you have any questions, just let me know through the Twitter or through my email address. So I would be really happy to help you. So let's go back to our today's aim. Like, we will talk about Windows 8.1. So especially there are significant updates. So like, last time or 2 months ago, one of my friends, when Windows 8 has been launched, he asked me at that time, so what are the really key features, or what are the improvements on Windows 8.1? Then I said that maybe start button, maybe the tile sizes. I guess other than that, there is not much more thing. But I learned that I was wrong. So there are huge investment, and in this call we will cover some of them. And in the coming days, maybe we can do a kind of Windows 8 series, like the 8 session series. You can get those information as well. So especially I just wanted to give some statistics and some stats from the Build conference. Like from the Build conference, Microsoft announced that 100 million licenses has been sold in 6 months. This is really huge. And at the same time, they mentioned that, right now more than 100,000 applications in store right now, and like the 250 million application has been downloaded. These are really huge investments, and these are really huge numbers to to convince a develop an application on this platform. And as we mentioned before, Windows 8, Windows is reimagined there. So with a new UI, with a new start screen, with a different screen sizes, with the tablets, with the laptops, with the touch-enabled PCs, there are lots of improvements on those sides. So these are the key investments on this platform. At the same time, we have store, application store. If you can go there, you can find lots of applications, lots of the cool gadgets from there. So this will be really nice opportunity for developers to earn money, and also at the same time provide their applications to all people all around the world who are using Windows 8.1. So, and also we will talk about the application development platform, with your existing skills with the XAML, C#, C++, and Visual Basic, so you can develop an application on this platform. At the same time, if you are a HTML developer, you can get it from here as well. So let's move. With 8.1, we are just continuing this efforts, and especially we announced that there will be rapid updates in the coming days on Windows 8, maybe yearly, maybe or less than that. Every time we are listening feedbacks, so which are really important for Windows 8 and Windows 8 market. So we are listening you. So especially there are significant updates on the UX improvements, and especially there will be lots of devices in the coming days again. And the cool thing is there are really cool features of Windows 8.1. If we can go next. So as you see, in the coming days, it will be available. So it was announced 18th of October. It will be fully available, publicly available to all people. Everyone can go there, go to their Windows 8 device, and they will get this message. There will be a free update, and they can get it from their PC. So if we will have a look at what are the really most important updates on Windows 8.1, if I can summarize in slides, I compiled in this way. The first of all, the new start screen and the lock screen. This is more personalized. This is all up to you right now, and then you can design how you wish. So this is the most critical update, and as a user experience, this is providing you more personal experience to you. And the second one is the tile sizes. We have now the small tile size, and at the same time large tile size. And also from Windows 8 we have medium tile and also large tile. Right now we have 4 size options. These are the t-shirt sizes, right? The small, medium, large, and right now the medium one. So this is really nice one. So the another one is the applications can share the same screen. So you can use more than 2 applications right now on your PC. For example, if you wanted to use the 3 applications, if your screen resolution is supporting, you can go there and you can use it. And also as you remember, we have 2 different sizes in the application, the field mode and snap mode, the 2 different the small sizes. Right now there are the different variety of choices, and also I will show you in the demo. And the good thing is there is a nice integration on with the SkyDrive. the cool thing is it is coming with a built-in right now on your PC. You don't have to go to like the SkyDrive every time to get your documents. You can find it on your PC and you can check them. And the second one is like the Bing search, like the search has been changed on Windows 8.1, and this is more generalized right now, and at the same time it's powered by Bing. You can get like all information regarding to your like the search items, like the search query, and at the same time you can get it from like like the images, videos, like maybe more information, websites. If there is an application on store, you can get applications from there. So which is really nice one. So let's move forward. Another one is like the store. Like the store has been updated as well. Like with the new store, it is more easy to discover new applications and like to get more information regarding those applications. And another one is like the new start screen. Like you can find more applications right now, and application list is easy to access. Like if you can move top, so you can access your all applications. These are just the updates I discovered. So let's see on a live demo, and let's see that the which features are available and how can we like to modify and how can we use in your own PCs. So this will be a really nice step for like in order to understand. Sorry for that, I closed my sharing. In order to understand these features. And this will be really important for like the developing your application as well. When you will understand these features, you can easily integrate yours as well. So can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, cool. This is my regular desktop, and again, this is a really nice view from Istanbul, and you can see here. And at the same time, like there is a new start button, like on the left side. If I can go there, it is there right now. So what it does is basically whenever I click that, it is going to the start screen. Like again, if I go to desktop, and I can go back again. So this is one of the most requested feature in Windows 8. So right now it is there, you can get it. So this is my start screen, and as you see, like on the background, I can use my desktop background, desktop image. So right now with 8.1, you can customize your desktop with your like the own images or own graphics. It's all up to you. So if you will have a look at the tile sizes, like there are significant updates, like this one, like the small tile sizes, again like the white tile, like the medium one, and at the same time like we have large one. So let me show you in here. So as you see, like you can get more information regarding to the different cities, and at the same time the nice visualization of the weather, like today and tomorrow, and then the existing place. So this is really nice feature, you can find it there. So if we can continue, like again the same experience, but other than that, so there is another one, like the all application sections. If I click there, I can get all the applications and I can find them. So we will go back to that feature. So right now, like another improvement on finding applications in here. For example, if you are looking for Twitter application, whenever you type on start screen, this new search will be there. And the search has been also changed. So right now there is no settings, there is no apps, or there is no files. Like all of them are combined. Whenever you search something, you can get all results. Like for example, your files, like for images on your PC, or applications, or the other things. So for example, if I search for Note, I can get like the applications, at the same time settings, at the same time some files. This is also another feature. And also, if you go continue for searching, so it will go to another one, and then we will see that as well. So I just wanted to show you like the tile sizes. Like whenever you right click there, so you can change the tile size easily, like the medium, like wide, it's all up to you. At the same time, small size, you can change it. So, but I really like this thing as a large, so it will be large. So the good thing is, like, you can select a couple of applications at the same time, and also you can move them like all together, like the 6 applications all together. And then, I moved them here, and then, group name here, this will be new app group. And whenever I complete it, they are there. So the good thing is, I can again like to select multiple applications, and then at the same time I can change their sizes. Like I can make them wide, or I can make them medium, like all of them together. So this is also another cool features of Windows 8.1. So other than that, like again, like semantic zoom is there. Like with the semantic zoom, we can move to the right or move to the left. It's all up to you. So we can do it as well. So this is also nice improvement. So we can like modify our start screen like this, and at the same time, like there is a personalization on settings. So if you can go to right charm and click settings, and then if you can go to personalize, you will see that there are lots of improvements. There are lots of needed visuals, so you can see that. So for example, if you can select another color, so let me go back. So let me go to here. If I change them, like it will affect my like background. So as you see, like whenever I change it, so I can see there. So this is so girlish, so I will go back to my existing design. So you can, whenever you close from there, like you will have that visual. It is providing you like defining and the editing more how can I say, flexibility in your applications on your start screen. So the another one is, as I mentioned before, like the all application sections. So this is really good one, because right now, we have lots of applications, but in like the bad thing is, finding them, or just, the grouping them, or, if you wanted to know which application you downloaded latest, so it is really hard to find it from here. So there are nice improvements I will show you right now. For example, if you are looking for Notepad, like again, you can search from here, and you can filter, and you can see here. So another one is like from here, I order all my application by their like the date installed. So if I change it to most used, I can see all applications here which I use most. Or at the same time, by the category, like the book and references, like the education, like entertainment, you can see that. Like, and also there is a semantic zoom, and you can find them, and you can go there, like the social. So this is really nice one. By the name, again, you can filter by name. But I really like this one, the date installed, or I really like this one, like the most used one. Like, you can list your all applications by their by their type. So let's go back. This is also a nice one, and I really like this feature. So the another one is like multiple applications. So like due to my existing screen resolution right now, it is a kind of hard to like use it more than 2 applications. but I will share with you a video series, and you can find it from there. So with if your screen resolution is like the providing that support, you can use like more than 2 applications at the same time. So like this one. So also the good thing is, there is no only snap view and field view. You can change to the different sizes. As you see, like here, you can change to the different one, and you can use half of your screen in a different application, and also at the same time, for example, Internet Explorer. Or you can change it again, like to the different sizes. This is all up to your screen resolution. There are more flexible choices for that. Go to the website which I will deliver to you right now. So then you can find more information for that. So the another one is search. The search is like you can open with like Windows button and Q, and like from there, for example, if you are looking for Istanbul, then if you click there, like you will get more information regarding Istanbul, like some files on your PC which contains Istanbul, for example, your SkyDrive images which with a tag with Istanbul or a name with an Istanbul, you can find it from there. And also here it is, for example, some images from Istanbul. This is coming from Bing database. Like for example in here, like what will be the weather, at the same time the population, like map, for example on the map, or explore, you can find more. And from here, like attractions, like some images, you can find it from there. So these are really nice ones. And at the same time, more results from web with the latest screenshots of those websites. So this is also nice. Like as you see here, like the cool features. And the good thing is, so for example on Windows Store, like you can find more results. You can find some results regarding Istanbul. You can find it from here. So if you move to the right side again, the more websites you can find them, and then some related searches. So this is like whenever you move to the right, so it is retrieving more and more results. So it's all up to you. This is really improved the search experience with a new one. So I strongly suggest it to you go there and check it. So for example in here, like if I go to images, so like due to my connection speed, it will be a kind of low. So but you can filter them as well. Like for example, there are lots of images, but if you are looking for some sunset images, so in order to do that, like let me move to here. With the right click, I open application bar. From application bar, I will select color, like most probably yellow or orange. Yellow would be nice. Yellow would give me some sunset photos, I guess. Otherwise, you can select black in order to see like the night photos or something like that, which is a really nice feature. Yeah, here are some. So go there and check it. This is also really nice and cool feature. You can find it like, which is providing you really nice photos due to the colors, like which is really, how can I say, dominant on the photo. So same thing for the types and other things, like for the people, this is really cool. Go there and check this thing. So other than that, I search for Istanbul like as a city, and it provide me a city result. So what about if I look for Maroon 5? So, they're a band, like the pop band, and they're so popular. So if you can go there, like, if you search this thing, as you see, like the group image, like their band image, and their genre, their, you know, like when they established. So for example, their like list of songs. So for example, in here, like whenever you play here, it will open Xbox and, you know, it will start playing. So this is really nice integration. So at the same time, like if you go to like the here, like you can find albums, like videos, you know, this is all up to you. Go there and check it. You know, there are lots of the different variety of choices, and you can find it from there. And you know, you can get a different search experiences due to your due to your like the queries. So this is another one. So what else? You know, we have new Internet Explorer right now, Internet Explorer 11. So as I mentioned before, you know, this will provide you a different experience, like with a Bing or with a different place. So the good thing is, so if your Live ID has more than like the one PC, more than one account, so you can find it here like the tabs. Like the tabs means, you know, the actual ones, and another one is your another PC. Like whenever you select that, you know, you can see like the other pages you open in different PC, and you can see them here. Like, you know, like if you go to your like the home PC, like, you know, but you open lots of pages and you have forgotten them, you can easily access from here. And also this is all up to your permission. So this is really nice feature. At the same time, again, like now this navigation used to on the top side of the Internet Explorer, right now on the bottom, like, you know, you can access easily from here. So let me go back again, like for example NTV, a Turkish news news website in here. So you can see as a full view, full screen view, and you know, there's a new the new feature right now. Whenever you click here, there is a new in private tabs. Like in private tabs allows you like opening a website in a private sessions, like what you have on Windows 8 desktop site, and at the same time, you know, you can open these pages on your desktop. Like if you can go there, you know, it will open again in a private version, and then, you know, that those will be there. So let me close it, and you know, this is Internet Explorer. And another good thing is, like, you know, you can open like the new windows. So for example, if you wanted to like to open a new one, so this is all up to you. Like, you know, at the same time, like you can open like the two different like Internet Explorers, and you can use them. So this is a really nice feature. So like, you know, you can go to those videos and you can watch them. How can you do that? So these are the nice features. So with 8.1, there are nice improvements on the applications, built-in applications, especially food and drink. I really love it. And like the new calculator, new like read list, new alarm, and like health and fitness. So for example, food and drink, you know, there are really cool features inside of that, like, you know, beside the database, beside the content inside of it. For example, like if you can go to here, so there is a new feature of Windows 8.1, like the hands-free mode. So hands-free mode means, like, you know, whenever you click here, for example, if you are cooking something, but your hands are dirty, like how can you control your touch PC, or how can you control your PC? So this is a really nice feature, like, you know, opening a hands-free mode, and with your hand, like through the camera, like, you know, you can change the you can change from here. Like, you know, my camera is not working right now, it's not on hands-free mode, I guess due to the screen size, you know, I cannot change it. But as in the video, you know, you will see that like your camera will start, and after that, whenever you move your hand to the right side, you know, it will change the topic, and you know, you can get it from there. You know, it's all up to your hand movements. So just go there and just check it. So let me close this one. Okay. Another applications, just go there and just check it. And I really like this reading list. So for example, if you don't have time, but if you want to read a website or check a website, you can add into your list, and then you can come back later and you can read it again. So for example, if I go to bing.com, in order to add into the list, so you need to go to the share, and then your reading list will be here, and then whenever you click there, like it will add it immediately. That's it. Then you can go back again and you can check it. And also this is roaming as well. Like if you have multiple PC, you can use it in different PC as well. I strongly suggest it to use that. And like the alarms and other stuff, we due to lack of time, I won't go through all of them, but with a really nice experience with a new UI, like reinvented UI, I strongly suggest it to you to go to check it. Like the same thing with all new built-in apps. So these are okay as well. And right now, I just wanted to talk about store. Like the store is like new improved one right now. So as you see, here it is, like the more applications. So let me go back. The spotlight is here right now. Like there are bigger images, application details, and you can see them. On the right side, pick for you, like due to your habit, due to your downloads, like by the categories, by the applications. So it is suggesting to you to access some applications, like it is more personalized. Like for example, like the popular now, the new releases, like top paid and the top free. This is more easy to discover in application right now. And at the same time, like you can search for more apps from here as well. Also, like in Windows 8.1, you will realize that in lots of applications there will be search box. Like search box is coming with Windows 8.1. So right now you can implement in your applications, like besides using Windows 8 search on the right side, so you can use here as well. So for example, when I search it, I get the list of all applications in here. So if we can go back, let me go there. For example, CNN for Windows, I can get more details, I can get screenshots, and the good thing is, I can see the ratings and reviews, and I can see how many stars did it get, and at the same time, like the most highlighted comments, like due to their popularity, and then you can see here. So at the same time, like the more details, and like at the same time you can see related apps. If there is more application from like the CNN, like the same developer, so you can see them here, like as a list. So this is really nice to like discover all the applications in one place. So let's go back, and the same thing for like the all applications. Like if you wanted to go there, yeah, you can to get more details regarding them. So let's go back. That's all with store as well. Right now, I just wanted to talk about like the PC settings. Like with the PC settings, like if you go to the right side, like the settings, and like change your PC settings, it is more developed versions right now. So because it is providing you like the more the touch-friendly user interface with your like the screens. Like same thing in here. For example, if you wanted to use a slideshow, like you can use it from here as well, and you can select some some folders, picture folders for your application. Same thing for display. Like the same thing for Bluetooth, all of them are like the touch friendly right now, and you can access them from like PC PC settings. Like you can access from here, like same thing with the accounts. And other than that, this is easy to use it. Like sign-in options, like the other accounts, like these kind of stuff. These are so important. Just go there and just check them. There are really nice improvements for the applications. And same thing for SkyDrive integration. So let me show you one thing. So if you open Internet Windows Explorer, you will realize that on the left side you will have your favorites and you will have your SkyDrive here. Like with the SkyDrive, you can access the lots of documents in your like settings. You can access them here, and you will get them. For example, if I will go to my photos, I will access them. These are just the thumbnails. I cannot open them right now, but I can copy and paste them on my PC, and then they will be here. So then you will see that there will be download will be started, and there will be a progress which will show you how is it. So this is also another really cool feature, and then you can select a folder here and you can copy and paste it, and it will automatically sync with your SkyDrive account, and then you can easily publish it. So the another one is like the lock screen, and then you will see in the videos, then you will realize that there will be a really nice improvements with the lock screen and lock screen features. So that is really nice to see that. And last but not least, I just want to show you like properties, and there are some options for like the new start screen. So for example, you can start how you wish. Like you can go to desktop, you can go to desktop at the start directly, like if you wish, or you can just use a different one, or you can use your desktop background as a start screen in here. So as you see, and at the same time, like if you select this one, it will change your view. For example, let's try it. So if I apply it, so I will go there, I will just see only my apps. So I won't see my start menu anymore. So I will see all my applications. And at the same time, like it's all up to you. You can implement some desktop applications as well. They might be there. For example, list desktop application first. So if you can go there and you can get the desktop application first, or this kind of stuff. This is all up to you. So this is more personalized, and also there are lots of features like this. You can find them. So like in Windows 8.1, there are around 800 features. Imagine 800 features are there. So there are lots of improvements. So just go there and just check them. Whenever you play with them, definitely you will love them. So then provide us to your feedbacks, and then we can help you to improve Windows 8.1. So if you wish, let's continue. I have a couple of slides. So as I mentioned before, you can go to my channels, like from here, like youtube.com/ikivanch. So you can go there and you can watch those videos. What I summarized to you, like you can find all the details regarding that. So another one is like the performance in 8.1. Like it is really improved one, and then you will see in this video. So what is the really result after improving this performance? For example, you can see that like on the right side, an application developed on 8.1. On the left side, you will see that a Windows 8 application like developed on Windows 8. So you can see the performance, like the differences. So which is really important, when you will test it and you will realize, these features as well. So, and also at the same time, there will be lots of devices in the coming days, and then lots of tablets, like the convertibles, like the ultrabooks, all in ones, that will be like a heaven of like the touch-enabled PCs. Like for the development tools, like if we can talk about them a bit, like the Visual Studio 2013 right now, 2013, so you can go there and check the preview versions of it. With that, like, we have Blend for Visual Studio 2013, and you can get it. So you can see and you can develop your applications. So, like, as you know, like this is our platform for Windows 8, like, with Windows Store application, with the desktop application. This is same on Windows 8.1 as well. So what are the updates? Especially on the API side, these are like Windows 8 APIs. So I hope, most of you like to go there and discover lots of the APIs there, like the camera or like the geolocation or sensors, like the SkyDrive, it's all of them are there. You can go there and check it. With 8.1, there are some updates on geolocation, like the proximity, like the Play to XAML, especially like HTML5 and CSS. There are lots of controls. You can see them, and this is really nice one. And with 8.1, you can see that like the new APIs. For example, the point of service, like the USB support, like the Bluetooth support, Wi-Fi direct support, like the 3D printing, which is really huge, like the WebGL support, like the scanning, like the speech synthesis, like the HTTP support. For example, the contacts, like the appointments, like the PDF support right now, and like the diagnostics. There are lots of improvements. You can go there and you can check it. For more information, you need to go to build.com, like windowsbuild.com. Then, you will see that. Right now, like all videos are uploaded on the channel 9, and then, I will give this link to you. You can get more information from dev.windows.com or the channel9.msdn.com/events build 2013. Just go there and just check all the videos. There are really amazing improvements. So if we can continue, that these are the latest resources, like for the development, this is our site, dev.windows.com, and also it is renewed and refreshed. Just go there and just check it. At the same time, design.windows.com. And for more samples, Windows 8.1 samples, you can go there, and right now we will check in last 5 minutes. And also we have videos. You can go there and you can check all videos regarding Windows 8 development. So do you have any question? Like if you have any question, just let me know, like through the IM, like you can type them. So right now I just wanted to show you Windows 8.1 samples. Again, like the 200 samples, you can go there and you can download them and you can check them. So especially before going there, I just wanted to show you the Visual Studio 2013. This is just, the preview version of it. So the nice improvement, there are really significant improvements. I just wanted to show you like this hub page. For example, this is here, right? So like if you create a new hub page, let's see that how it looks like. For example, in lots of Bing applications, you've seen that like there is a hero image, really big image at the beginning, and after that you can see that there are some grid box, for example, grid item boxes in different views. You can see. So here it is right now. This is, for example, like the huge hero image. And on the right side, there are some sections, like the different groups, and more information, like, these are all independent. So this might, this might be developed by you as well. This is all up to your scenario. So just go there and just check it. So for example, this is just so easy to develop, and this is just so easy to manipulate it. For example, we edit an image in here, right? I copy this thing and I will pass it in my application. The name is IMG. So for example, I will go to my start screen hub page right now. I just wanted to check, what are the elements in a hub control. So there is a grid. In the grid, there is a hub, and you can see here hub header, and there are some hub sections. So I will select first one, most probably this, and this is just a ground background, and this is just giving a gray. So I just wanted to change the source of it to my, not this one, to my image, and then I will see that, yeah, my image is here. So if I will build this one, and if I will run on my machine, I will see here, and also this is a really nice view from Beirut. So as you see, there's a hero image, and if I move to the right, I can see that, you don't have to worry, or you don't have to think about it. So it is just so easy to do that. Also, you can do it programmatically. It is all up to you. So, just go and just check the Visual Studio. There are really cool improvements. So like this one, you can zoom in your high-level codes, and you can zoom wherever you want, and you can check where you are, for example, in terms of element, and you can check it. I will talk about those features in the coming days. And last but not least, I just wanted to show you a couple of Windows 8.1 samples. For example, tiles. For example, application tile sample. So let me see application tiles and badges. So let's go to this application. Again, if you wanted to use a large tile, so this will be the only resource you can get more information regarding that. So I will run this application. And then, you can send some notification, and you can send some images, some badges, the other things, and also you can see the preview for all of them, the tile square, at the same time, for example, white tile, peak images the white tile with a small image. For example, some, the tile square, the big one, the large one. So you can find them from here. This is such a nice, right? So everything is there. So what you need to do is you need to go there and you need to check them. So again, it is just providing you an XML output, and you are just using it. Just, the references changing. With 8.1, you can find them there. So such a nice thing, right? So that's it. So you can go there and you can check all the code resources, and at the same time we have more and more samples, but due to lack of time, I will just show the last one. So let me go for speech. Yep, here it is. The speech sample, which is, basically a speech system on Windows 8.1. Whenever you type a text or paragraph, something like that, it is just reading for you. You can go to the source code, and you can check them, and also you can easily implement into your application as well. I'm really not sure will you hear that or not. Let's check it. Academic talks. Windows 8. Whenever I press this one, I hope you can hear that, the Microsoft desktop, that's the sound. I can change to the woman voice to Zira and Hazel at the same time. Hazel. So, so you can hear that. And at the same time, you can save these videos, these audios, and you can save on your PC. So that's all from my side. So thanks for joining. Due to the lack of time, I presented less, but this is more about how can you get used to know the new features of Windows 8.1 in terms of user experience. So on the next call, most probably we will talk about Windows 8 development side. And if you have any concerns or any questions, please just let me know. You have my contacts. So especially this is the keyword like the iKivanch from Twitter, from Facebook or YouTube or anywhere else. So you can find me. And also iKivanch@microsoft.com is my email address. Just don't hesitate to send me. So,
thank you. Thank you very much. Nice to hear new information and a new feature in Windows 8. Really, I'm so happy and I like it so much. And any attendees now, any question? Okay, I would like to thank you, Dr. Muad Sabha from Palestine Universities. And I would like Asil, thank you very much. Thank you, Ibrahim. For amazing session. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Have a nice day and hope to see you on the next development session. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.